In this project, we will learn how to save a portable project in Adobe Premiere Pro Creative Cloud. So let's take a look how to save a portable project in Adobe Premiere Pro Creative Cloud. When you are creating some project in your computer, and if you want to move that project file to another computer, you must have to copy the project elements like the JPEG files, PNG files, the movie clips, and the sound clips as well. But if you don't copy these files, the project won't run in another computer. So let me show you how to save a portable project in Adobe Premiere Pro Creative Cloud. If you want to save a portable project, you can use this portable project to another computer, and along with this project file, your elements of your project will be saved in a single folder. So let me show you. You have to select the file menu, and from there you have to select this project manager option, and this is the project manager setting, and here is the destination path where you want to save. So our destination path is in desktop, and there is a portable project folder, and we want to save it on there. And you can calculate the size. Our project size will be 279 megabyte. So I'm selecting OK to save my project on there. You can take a look. Our media is copying to our new folder, and our project is saved on portable project folder. So let's take a look on portable project folder. This is our portable project folder. This is the folder, and here you can take a look. The copied project is here, and it's the size about 279 megabyte. Let me open this folder, and here is the project file. This is the project file of Adobe Premiere Pro, and this is the elements of your project. So when you will move this folder in your pen drive, and if you want to use in another computer, then you can run this same project in another computer. So this is how you will save a portable project in Adobe Premiere Pro Creative Cloud. Thank you.